Hello everyone. In this particular recording, I'm going to share how to use the licenses of EDA, right, uh, for everyone. Basically, nowadays, many of engineers who are learning VLSI, right, in mainly in front end domain, they are trying to they need a real-time exposure, right, usage of real-time EDA tools, so on. So we have a platform called EDA Playground, right. In this we can get a picture idea of using the various EDA tools for the simulations, right, and you can get a clear compilation and simulation flow. But we are missing the real work feeling of Linux environment. So in this training, in this video, I'm going to share how an engineer can get evaluation licenses from Synopsys and can use for his project work or learning purpose. Then you can use the licenses straight away. So the firstly, I'm going to share this particular link where he can register to this Eval licenses. Uh, Here you can use your company name and company website, so on, to register further. Then you will get an approval. After that, you need to log in. After logging in, you are ready to use the licenses from the Synopsys evaluation results. Okay, like some of the evaluation licenses don't need any specific approval. Straight away, you can enter into this training, and they had provided the labs as well, so that you can directly get a real picture of how to compile and simulate and use the EDA tools such as VCS, Verdi, and so on, right? So here I had mentioned the step-by-step process. First step is registering. Second step, activating from your employer email ID. And now you good to start with Synopsys portal. Login, like here we need to go to the login page and log in. Then pick up any training you want to do. So it's interesting as many of engineers don't have accessibility to the licenses, which is leading them to have some lack of knowledge on using the EDA supported vendor tools, right? So that's about this particular video. I hope this helps for you to go and register in the Eval Synopsys portal and get use of the licenses. Now we are here wherein you can see that I have logged into my Eval portal and going to the terminal to terminal to start using the licenses. Okay, like in the first step, if you see here, you won't see licenses are sourced in your terminal. Like let's see which VCS. It's not sourced. Now let me go ahead and source the licenses. We need a script. So script is located in this path. Okay, just source setup.sh will bring up the licenses. Now let's see whether uh, VCS been sourced for us now. Okay, which VCS? Yeah, it's been sourced. Then let's see which Verdi, whether Verdi also. Yeah, we have Verdi and VCS now, and we can start our compilation simulations of system Verilog test bench in this terminal. It's very good for us to get a real-time tool usage exposure. And what I have done here was like after sourcing up, I had created a basic module with the extension of system Verilog SV file, and I had used this command to compile. Okay, this is a command to compile any of the program, system Verilog program. Okay, this is VCS. I am using a switch called S Verilog so that it enables system Verilog constructs here, and I am passing whatever like as of now in this portal I don't have the system Verilog file here, so I'm just trying to show you like the switches need to be. So full 64 you need to use basically because our Linux environment is 64-bit. So VCS I am letting it know that to run the 64. Okay. So what I will do is meanwhile I will create a small Verilog program, right, and show you the compilation flow. Okay. Module. Okay, now we are good to compile. Let's see. Let me remove the full 64 switch first and see if it is if I'm able to compile it properly. I see that some of the error. It seems to be environment issue because you can see here, right? The compiler is a 64-bit, some kind of message. It indicates that, yeah, we are missing with the some switches. Okay. When I speak to Synopsys team, they had mentioned that try with the switch like this. Okay. Uh, yeah, we are able to compile and yeah, generate a executable file, basic, right? So that's about this particular video's content. Thank you. Bye bye.